Hi, Certified Automotive Solutions here. We're working on a 1973 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. This vehicle had an issue with the rear brakes, and what happened was the caliper on the left rear seized up. It caused it not to release, and so much friction that it overheated the bearings inside and damaged the bearings. In this case, we had to remove the stub axle, which is this guy right here, by using a special tool. And now we're pulling it apart, pulling the bearings, and that's one of the bearings on the outer side. There's also a bearing on the inner side. We're going to take a look at the calipers. We have one out in the pot. So this is one side of the caliper, and as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. So we're gonna pretty much overhaul this, clean it all up. You can see the brake pads here went down metal to metal. You can see how hot that whole system got. I'm surprised it didn't catch on fire. I'm sure it was smoking pretty hot. The parking brake mechanism here also needs quite a bit of attention. So we're going to clean this up, rebuild it, put it back in, put new bearings in it, and then go away. I'll keep you guys safe. Thank you.